Hello crochet friends, welcome to Crochet and Knit with Shelby. Today I'm going to demonstrate for you the double crochet stitch. I've got a few rows of my double crochet stitch right here, and we're going to finish off this row and I'll teach you how to make them. So to begin the double crochet stitch, you're going to yarn over and go through the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, and now you will have 3 loops on your hook, and you're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through 2, and now you have 2 loops on your hook, and you will yarn over and pull through 2. And you just created your first double crochet stitch. Let's do one more. Yarn over, go through the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and go through 2 loops, and now you have 2 loops left on your hook, and you yarn over a second time and complete the stitch by going over those 2 loops. Let's do that again. Yarn over, go in through the stitch, yarn over and pull through the stitch, 3 loops remain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So the double crochet stitch is yarning over 1 time, going in through the stitch, yarning over another time, yarning over a 3rd time, and yarning over a 4th time. Let's try that again. You're going to yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, 3 loops remain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do our last 2 stitches. Yarn over, go in through the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, go in through the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. And we have just completed our row of double crochet stitches. If you liked this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much and happy crocheting!